Welcome to our channel. If the Airbnb app isn't working or you're experiencing booking errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps or websites to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Step 2. Close the Airbnb app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, go to Recent Apps and force Stop Airbnb. Step 3. Update the Airbnb app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Airbnb, and tap Update if available. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Airbnb, and Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Restart your device completely. Power off your smartphone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 6. Check your payment method. Go to your Airbnb account settings and verify that your credit card or payment information is up to date and valid. Step 7. Try making the booking through the Airbnb website instead of the app to see if it's an app-specific issue. Step 8. Verify that the listing is still available by refreshing the page or searching for it again. Popular properties can book up quickly. Step 9. Contact Airbnb customer support through the app or website if the error persists, providing booking details and screenshots of any error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.